Good morning, grade 12s. Good morning, grade 12. Zadia Freeman for you. Very fast, let's go through this certain problem. You've been given that f of x equals to 2x squared. And then they say find the derivative of 2x squared from the first principle. Find f of x which equals to 2x squared from first principle. Now, what is the formula of the first principles? The formula of the first principles, it says f of x, f1 of x which equals to f into x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Mind you, on this f, you are going to put 2 and then it is x plus h. Where you see x, you put x plus h, and then you also put the exponent. Where you see f of x, you will write your 2x squared, which was the original function you were given, divided by h, and then now you are going to say 2 into x plus h, 2 into x plus h, and then you open up 2 brackets, x plus h. Again, since it had exponent 2, then you minus your f of x continuously. Now we know that these 2 brackets, they have to multiply each other according to our BODMAS. Then it will be 2, then it becomes x squared plus 2x h plus h squared minus 2x squared divided by h. How did 2xh come? It was h times x, then you find xh, and then it was again x times h, you find xh again. So that's why we have 2xh as our middle term, and then our first term being x squared and our last term being h squared. On this other step, you are going to times the brackets by 2, then you will find 2x squared plus 2 plus 4xh, and then also plus 2h squared minus 2x squared. Now, mind you, some of these terms have to cancel each other. It seems like 2x squared will minus 2x squared. Then you have this one left out, and then you will have also divide by h. Don't forget the h. Some of people keep on forgetting the h. Then it will be 4xh plus 2h squared divided by h. Now, another step that you're going to take, we assume that we have a common factor since we are seeing 4xh and 2h squared. Then it will be h, and then in bracket we will have 4x plus 2h. Now, what's going to happen? We also divide by h. This h will cancel this h, and then obviously it will be h divided by h, and then it is 1. Then 4x plus 2h divided by 1, it is 4x plus 2h. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write you something new. This is lim where h approaches 0. Now, okay, when they say lim where h approaches 0, it's going to be 4x plus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 doesn't make any difference, and any number multiplied by 0, you get 0. 0 multiplied by any number, you get what? 0. Now, our final answer, it is 4x. But it seems like we can go back to our problem where we were solving dy over dx. Now, our dy over dx for this one, it will be 2 times 2, then you will have 4, and then which is 4x, and then on top, according to the rule, we will say 2 minus 1. Then at the end of the day, we will have 4x to the power 1. Then the end line of this answer, it will become 4x. So the first principle and dy over dx is one and the same thing. I thank you for this lesson. Subscribe more for all my videos, and wish you the best. Wish you the best on your math problems.